Hi, my name is Paul Safford. I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for the Irix 45mm f1.4 in the GF mount, which is for the Fujifilm medium format cameras. This is just a simple unboxing video, but the box was kind of big and impressive, so I thought I would go ahead and show people how big it is relative to my hand size and what you might expect it to look like from the pictures, the promotional pictures. B&H has these on sale right now. I think they're about half off, so good time to buy it if you want to play with it. I'll also put a few sample pictures up when I get a chance. It's late at night right now, so it's not going to be tonight. But by the time this video comes out, I'll have some. I'll edit them in. So it comes in a nice little case. And of course you get the usual inserts in the box. A quick start guide. A warranty card. And that's it. That's all that's in this fancy box. Let's take the lens out of the carry case. It's actually kind of a neat carry case, a hard shell carry case. Man, that is a massive lens. Good Lord. I think the size of this thing belies anybody's expectation. It's a very handsome looking lens, very attractive looking design. See if I can get the hood out. There we go. Just a plastic hood. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but there are a lot of aperture blades in there. Declicked aperture control ring. It's got a nice smooth focus ring. And a focus lock, which I can see that being nice. It kind of gives it a little tension. I wouldn't say it completely locks it, but it makes it hard enough that you can't push it by accident. So that is the unboxing of the 45mm Irix in GF mount. That's it. I will put a few sample pictures up with this video. They're just going to be some shots from my local small town here in Maryland. Yeah, feel free to comment if you've got any suggestions on using this lens or any other third-party lens for the GF Fuji medium format system. Feel free to make a comment. I read and respond to everything that I get a notice for. So thanks, and I hope to see you again in another video.